Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Army and Outdoors. Feel free to check them out at ArmyandOutdoors.com. They're out in New Zealand. They ship internationally. So let's look at their logo, Army and Outdoors. And let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And I already removed the tax invoice manifest that was on the outside of this package. Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't, depending on the dollar amount or contents. Simply used whatever box was available. This was actually looks like a cut down box because of the overflap that seems to be here. Little packaging technique. Yep, it's a resized box. Pretty clever. Alright, we just have a few items in here, so let's go ahead and take a look. Let's try not to get these mixed up. Let's go in reverse. So even those are the last thing on the list. What we have here is an East German Garrison cap. OD. Curious as to the logo there. Okay, feels like cotton. I believe that was how it was listed, and we have a little white tag with nothing there that we can see. MDL 18560, size 59, 140, and a 6 in the square. That's about all I see marking wise on that. So again, East German Garrison cap. Set that down right there. Let's continue with the clothing items because it's just easier. Italian Army Desert Camouflage pants extra large. That's what was available. And I got them extra large, even though I'm not an extra large, because I could still use a belt to cheat. Or if I put on weight, I'll grow into them. But they are quite large, I would say. But they could be also worn as overpants, probably as well, if that's the case. Right away, I see elasticized cuffs at the bottom of the pants themselves, reinforced knees. The squarish section is quite large, going across the other side there. Going back up to the waist area, button at the top, plasticized zipper with metal reinforcement at the top. Looks like aluminum, could be wrong. Zipper goes all the way down past the seam. So there's plenty of slack there. Let's take a look at the label right there. Italiano. No other label. Pocket wise, I don't see any front pockets. Check that out. No front pockets. Belt loops. 2 at the front, 2 at the side of the hips, and then just 2 near the middle back area. That's interesting. No slash pockets even. Cargo pockets, 2 Velcro squares, and a zipper. Interesting. Not a lot of bellows, only at the sides, and sewn flush at the bottom of the pockets. Same on the other side, 2 square Velcro and zipper. Again, reinforced knees, covered the elasticized cuffs. Let's look at the back area. No reinforced bottom that I can see, and two symmetrical rear pockets just with two squares of Velcro. And they just happen to be the same size as on the cargo pockets as well. So again, Italian Army Desert Camouflage pants. Now let's get into a couple of these remaining items. Let me get the box out of the way now. And see if we can center that a little bit better. Okay, so we got two helmets here. Oh, that makes it easy. Top one is a French M51 steel helmet, but this one does not have a liner. I just wanted to get it just for the helmet itself, and I can always try to locate a liner later. But yep, that's like that. It does have a chin strap, so that's kind of cool. French M51, you can see the profile there. Pronounced visor brim that goes all the way around. See that? That's the rear, is the front. And then this one, last item for today, this video, is French F1 steel helmet with cover. So you can see the rubber lip edge that helps it fit to the edge of the helmet itself. The F1 camouflage pattern. This one does have a liner with the support. Very nice padded foam right here. Chin strap with the chin cup right there. Very nice. So again, working our way backwards in summary. French F1 steel helmet with cover. French M51 steel helmet. Italian Army Desert Camouflage pants, and we started off with the East German Garrison cap. These all came from ArmyandOutdoors.com. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Army and Outdoors. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp, tools, and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and curios for the curious videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.